Hello everyone, welcome back to my fluency journey. And in this video, we are going to talk about some grammar lesson and do some little exercise on this lesson, right? So this about modal verbs can versus could. So yeah, differ in time, formality, and certainty, right? So for if ability, if you are doing that ability on present, then you can use can. In the past, you can use could. For permissions, for informal permissions we use can. For formal permissions we use could. Can I go outside? Could I leave early please? Could I leave early please? Can I go outside? Can I go outside is more formal, right, and more informal. Could is more polite and tentative, right? Request, if you wanted to ask for a direct request, can you help me? Or for polite, could you help me? Possibility is only one, could. Don't use can for possibility. If you are thinking in a, like, she could be at the some place, okay, right. So yeah, we'll do some exercise and some bonus exercise. So I already solved these questions. So you can, I can speak three languages. Could you help me carry this box? Because I'm asking in a polite way. When I was younger, I could run because it's a past. So I could run 10 kilometers. Could I ask you a question about your project? Can I ask you a question about your project, or could I ask you what are because it's a formal or a polite? It's a direct permission or a polite permission. She could be at the library because it's about possibility, okay? And it's just a basic 10 sentences. They are very easy. You can do it. So yeah. So so yeah, I can speak three languages. It's correct answer. Could you help me carry this box? When I was younger, I could run 10 kilometers easily. Could I ask you a question about your project? Could and can both can be used for this sentence. She can be at the library. I'm not sure. This is incorrect. So I did it incorrectly. So yeah, what I need to remember from this lesson is you can't use can with possibilities unless it is very general sentence or it's general ability. So she could be at the library. Possible or uncertain, right? So you are expressing possibility, not ability. So use could. Okay, got it. Present perfect versus present perfect continuous sentences. He has been studying all morning and now he's tired, right? I have not finished my homework yet. It is also correct. They have been cleaning the garage for 2 hours because for 2 hours. It signifies that you have to use present perfect continuous for this. We have never eaten this at a restaurant. We have never eaten at this restaurant, right? It's too general, it's too fluent, it's too natural. We have never been eating at this. It's too unnatural, right? It's artificial. She has been working with this company since, yeah, it's also natural, right? She has been working with this company. She has been worked with this company. It's not fluent, right? So yeah, got it. Okay, I scored. So what we learned today is difference between could versus can, right? So thank you for watching the video. And please help me in reaching. Please help me in growing. Please help me in growing me. If you wanted to become more fluent in English, you can follow my channel. So please like, share, and subscribe to this channel and this video. So thank you so much, and you can also follow this playlist. I'm regularly uploading content. Uploading grammar lessons and content in this playlist. So yeah, you can follow that. Right? Thank you so much.